Hello friends, today I will show you how to connect to audio in Zoom. Firstly, open the Zoom app and then join a meeting. Enter your host ID, join it, enter your password. Your meeting will start soon. Here the meeting is in progress, but I can't hear the host voice. You can also see that there is an option to connect to audio, but before I connect to audio, I show you that my microphone is also disabled. If host wants to unmute me, they can't unmute me. Here is the option in the right corner that show me that there is no microphone. Now I am going to connect to audio so you can hear the host voice.
कुर्बान तरन्नुम गाना
I am going to show you some additional settings.
गर्दों आसमान
Click on audio settings. Here you go. You can see that there are many options, but I am going to show you only audio settings. If you want to connect to audio by default, you have to just tick mark the option automatically join audio by computer when joining a meeting. These are other options which you can use as you wish. Now I am going to leave this meeting to show you that your audio will be connected by default. I am doing this only for your justification. Before, the audio was not connected by default, but now the audio will automatically join as soon as the meeting starts. Here we again join a meeting. As we have done before, we enter the host ID and now we will enter a password. Now you will see or hear that you can hear the host voice.
बहता हुआ तारा, वो रास्ते जंगल के, वो बहता हुआ दरिया, हर सिमत गुलिस्तान में वो अंबार गुलों के, शबनम से वो धोए हुए रुखसार दिलों के।
जी, खन की ठंडक, खन की